The best binary options signals volume trading system works on a minute frame and has 3 minutes expiration time. It is based on volume trading, which means that it can be used to trade assets, indices, stocks and futures with all of the major brokers. The system uses a proprietary algorithm that looks at the price action, volume and momentum of an asset to predict if it will increase or decrease in price. The system also takes into account trend analysis, volatility and support levels to determine. Are you looking for a binary options trading system that has low risk and high returns? Best binary options signals volume trading system is an all-in-one binary options trading system that is designed to help traders find the best trading opportunities in any market condition. This system uses volume to find trades with high probability of success, giving traders more opportunities for profit. The system works on a minute frame and uses 3-minute expiration time. Binary options volume trading system. 3 minutes expiration time. It works on a minute frame. It is based on the volume of assets. It works on the assumption that an asset with high volume will have high volatility and vice versa. The idea behind this system is that if you buy an asset with high volume and sell it at a higher price, then you would earn more money than if you sold an asset with low volume at a lower price. This system does not work all the time, but it has given good results for me personally. The system has been tested and verified by our team of experts over several months. We have tested it on multiple pairs and found it to be very accurate. The system has also been tested on demo accounts with real money and found to yield consistent profits for us.
Do not forget to subscribe to the channel to receive all new. You will find all the appropriate tools for your work within our Telegram channel. You will find the link below the video.
We offer the strongest daily binary option signals that work on all trading companies. You will find the link below the video.
Thank you for watching.